Samsung biggest upgrade will come this year, and this new update come with many new wave of features in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and all under the umbrella of Galaxy AI in this update. Make the phone more powerful, and as you know, Galaxy AI will come this year with the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, and Galaxy AI separates Samsung from other Android phones and iPhones. And according to Samsung, this update come with Bixby with proper generative AI features. Bixby have ability to understand complex sentences, voice commands, as well as engage in natural conversations and continue pre-conversations. According to rumors, Bixby update come with the One US 7.0 or One US 7.1 based on Android 15. We have another massive news related to the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. South Korea media has reported that S24 Fan Edition will come this year in summer, and it come before Fi models. According to rumors, Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition display is underway. Maybe Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition come with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 in the possible Z Fold Fi, or even the Fold 6 Ultra. There's so many products at the July Impact event, and we have our first real look of the Samsung foldable laptop, which is Samsung Galaxy Book Fold, and it's come with 17-inch display. Samsung is showing off a foldable laptop that has a full-on foldable display with a partial on-screen keyboard. So it's all if you like my video. Give a thumbs and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.